creator of Declutter Go. This is the How to Play Declutter Go video. So you're in my office, the clean part, and today I'm going to show you how the gameplay works and do a little bit of decluttering in my own home. So I created Declutter Go to be simple because I want to help people get started without feeling so overwhelmed. You roll the dice and you follow the prompts. First, I'm going to give you an overview of how the whole game works. Then we're going to dive into the specific steps. First, you want to grab the revive die to prepare to declutter. Next, you want to decide, do I want to work on stuff or paper? Today, I'm going to work on stuff. So I grab the action. Then I grab the number, I grab the area, and then I grab the reward. So then I roll all four, and I follow the prompts. So the revive die is all about getting yourself in the right headspace to declutter. So you may land on open the windows and get some fresh air, or pause and take a breath and think about, why am I decluttering? Or maybe the music. So get your tunes on. The number die determines two things: the amount of time that your decluttering sprint will last and the number of items that you will declutter. Now, it's really important that you keep track of time so that you stay focused and that your decluttering sprint doesn't go on all day. Whatever number you land on, multiply the number by 10. Then convert that into minutes. So 2 times 10 is 20 minutes. So you want to take your timer or your phone and set the timer for 20 minutes. Now you'll know how long you're going to declutter and how many items you're going to be decluttering. Next, we're going to determine where in your home you're going to declutter. So the area die, what is great about Declutter Go is that if you land on something that doesn't make sense, you can roll again, or you can just choose where you want to work. So for example, let's say I've rolled on sell and I've landed on bathroom, and I really just don't have anything to sell in my bathroom. I can just change it to the living room because there's something in my living room that I want to sell. The important thing is to get started and to follow the prompt or make it your own prompt. Just do it. The last step is to roll the reward die. It's really important to reward yourself for the job well done that you've got started decluttering. And it feels great to declutter, and I think it's really important that you do something good for yourself. So you may roll on favorite drink, hobby, or the star, which would mean do whatever you want. Just reward yourself. All right, so I landed on the refuel, so I'm gonna get my snack. But before I do that, I'm gonna set my timer for 20 minutes, and I'm going to go into my living room to recycle 2 things. So follow me. I like a good bar. All right. Things to recycle. So I've recycled 2 things, and I'm so glad I'm playing this game because I have a lot more to recycle in here than I realized. So at this point, there's 3 options. I can stay in this room and find 2 more things to recycle, or I could go to another space in my house. So either roll the area die or just go ahead and go to another space, or I could roll all of them again and just have a whole new decluttering sprint. I think that I have enough here that I can recycle, like, 2 more times, 4 things, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, actually there was a lot more than 6 things to recycle, so I'm really happy that I did this. And again, the whole point of this game is to help you to get started, and I got started and I actually did more than what I rolled on, and that's okay. I think it's time then for me to enjoy my reward, and since I landed on my choice, I'm gonna go in my favorite space in my house, which is the lady lair, and I am going to read a book. I'm going to finish this chapter. It's been so great to just sit back and reward myself for conquering clutter in my living room. And I want to thank you so much for watching this video, and now I hope you have a handle on how to play Declutter Go and that you'll have fun conquering clutter in your own home.